Motorola Moto E5 Plus, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power, tap power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume down. Release both keys as soon as fastboot and bootloader mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to choose here recovery mode and press power key to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off. And as soon as no command picture pops up, let's press power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. That's it, this is the Android recovery mode, so here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to choose here wipe data factory reset and press power button to choose it. Then scroll down to choose yes and press power key to confirm it. Here you have to decide that you would like to erase user data only, or you can also erase user data and personalized content. So in my case, let me perform the hard reset and erase everything. So let me choose user data plus personalized content, press power key to confirm it. The device is wiping all personal data. As soon as Android recovery pops up, let's press power key to reboot system now, and the device is simply restarting and booting into a normal mode. So you have to wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you may notice, the welcome panel pops up, and as you may observe, there is no pattern password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.